It's been a while, guys. How you going? We've been busy doing things, and in between doing many things I got busy and I built that for the mighty Rambo edition XT250. So I've done a heap of mods to this thing. Snorkeled it, opened up the pipe, rejetted it, and then I thought, well, I need a sidecar because, you know,
you need a sidecar.
I haven't had a sidecar before, and I've always wanted to ride a sidecar, and I just didn't know what they do.
So we thought we'd test run it.
Yeah, so we're gonna do that around the paddock.
I've nicknamed it the coffin.
Yeah, so she's the meat sack. Put your helmet on, hold this girl.
Right, hang on then a minute.
It's got a bit of suspension-y business going on. It's nice and soft, and yeah, I've had a couple of rides with no one in it, just around here.
And as in your normal way of building things, it's cost nothing.
Yeah, no, so it's all, these parts here are the frame off a boxing bag holder. That's a bit of trampoline pole, trampoline pole, trampoline pole.
Boxing bag holder?
Yeah, no, it was the right size steel. These are the sides off our old fridge, and this is a bit of aluminium I've had laying around for, I don't know, 20 years.
And the chair's an old office chair.
And the old office chair that's all bolted in there. Right. Throw yourself in.
Throw.
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 If you want to, throw yourself in.
Well, you reckon that's the way to get in?
Well, that's how you get in.
Can I tread on that bit?
You can stand wherever the hell you like, but anyway, do whatever.
Always easier than getting on horse so far.
Well, so far.
Right, got my little feet peggy things.
Yeah,
Alright, I've got to hold this. Hang on, got to wiggle my ass back.
Helmet on.
Yeah, get your helmet on, we'll need it.
There's no liability if we crash. Because, you know.
Yeah, I signed a waiver.
Don't be scared to hold that.
I'm pretty sure I signed that waiver about the same day I fucking married you. Start your ass. Here we go. The suspension setup is amazing.
Good.
You're going to take that thing off now. So the suspension setup is amazing. I'm very comfortable. This bar's not quite big enough. It hurts your hands a bit, but you don't really need it because it hasn't got the body roll I thought I was going to end up with.
Cool.
So I'm actually feel quite safe and secure here. I like the fact there's no seat belt because I can self-eject.
Yep.
Like
That's
out at any second. I'm actually very impressed. Just kind of like where it improvements, it needs knee padding so I can lock my knees in a bit more because that's like going to wear the skin off.
Cool.
But better the skin off my knees.
That's a good review.
Better the skin off my knees than the skin off my arms.
Yeah, well, as long as it's comfy.
Yeah, I feel like I need a roll gauge.
No. We don't do roll gauges.
But the oddest bit is I have no control.
No.
I feel like I need a set of handlebars.
No, you got nothing. You got nothing.
That's fairly fucking wicked, baby. I'm actually very impressed with the coffin.
Awesome. How good's that?
That's all right. I reckon that'll do. Windscreen, my love.
You want a windscreen?
Yes, because when we went through the long grass, I got all the seed in my face.
Okay.
Like all of the seed.
Josh complained about the seed in his beer last night too.
Did he? Right. Oh, there's no beer holder in here.
No. Well, that's crazy to ride. It doesn't steer. I don't know how to make it steer other than like slow down.
Have you any idea how high that wheel was off the ground
Yeah,
when we went round the corner?
About a
I
foot.
was like completely like wedged up thinking, and there's the other fault. I can't get on my knees to run actual swinger for you.
No, you can't fight it.
No, I can't. You can't fight it.
But I've been doing some practicing on figuring out how to fly the chair before I put the wife in it, so I wasn't completely out of control.
Wasn't you?
No.
All right, I can take the helmet off now. I'm safe again, aren't I?
Yeah,
in the shed.
You're sort of safe.
I sort of don't need the safety gear on.
I'm stoked for that.
Do you want your stick back?
Yes, thanks.
Oh yeah, this woman on the arse with your stick.
So there you go.
Right.
Side chair.
It is sidecar. The coffin.
Yep. So the way I've set it up is so we can take 2 people and 2 lots of camping gear. So I've got a spot in the back here where you can stick a backpack. And the reason it hasn't got a screen is so you can put a second backpack on the front here and strap it down. And then the meat sack, I mean your mate can go in there.
Not the meat sack.
The meat sack can go in there. And there'll be a spare tools box in the centerpiece. So anyway, I'm pretty happy with it. Not bad for nothing. Anyway, thanks for watching. All right.